How to have more than 10 member on Trello Workspace. Need more than 10 members in your Trello Workspace? Here's how to unlock unlimited collaborators. So step 1, understand that the free plan limit offers and allows only 10 members. So go beyond that and boards become view only. So to do that, you need to upgrade your workspace. So as you can see, if you try to share this board, you just need to click on this share board button and add people as the member of your team. Now, if you want to add more than the limit, such as more than 10, we need to upgrade your subscription on Trello. So upgrade your workspace. Standard and premium plans remove the 10-member cap, while the enterprise adds advanced admin controls. If you want to stay free, remove collaborators until you're back under 10 members. Once upgraded, invite unlimited members by entering their email or sharing a link. Confirm and collaborate, and your team can now edit boards, add cards, and track progress together. And that is how to have more than 10 member on Trello Workspace.